of you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. And my name is Billy J, and I specialize in bringing you the latest, most affordable synthetic wig. The unit we're going to be reviewing today, her name is LAYSHA, and she comes from Outre Perfect Hairline, and I got her in the color purple. Let's go ahead and get into those tones, okay? Now we're going to jump right in. This is going to have 2 combs in the front. She's a 13x6 HD lace frontal, and you're going to see that adjustable band for your perfect glueless installs, and also 1 comb at the back with your traditional adjustable straps. Thank you, Ebonyline, for sending me over this unit to review. Don't get it twisted, don't get it twisted, don't get it twisted. Even though they sent this wig over, I'm still going to be giving you guys my real, raw, and honest opinions of this unit. They didn't send them funds, okay? So I have no reason to lie. Love you. Mwah. But next time, send that money on, okay? Next time, send that money on. Thank you. I'm still going to review the wig, okay? Because it's a cute one. And now that I think about it, now that we're on the topic, no shade to Ebonyline, but a lot of these hair companies are not paying me because not only do they want free labor, but it's a numbers game, and they don't think my numbers are worth them giving me monetary funds. But never mind the audience, girl, I am the talent. I am the one doing these styles. I am the one putting on the makeup. I am the one taking the pictures. I'm the one giving the looks. Focus on the talent, and it takes me money to produce this work, to make the wig look good. It takes my effort, it takes my lace tint, it takes my hair products, it takes me giving a look for the wig to look good. So let's pay the talent. Yeah. Because I'm worth it. And because I deserve it. Regardless of how many views I garner, regardless of what my subscriber count is, regardless of how many followers I have, I am worth getting paid. How would you feel clocking in for your 8-hour shift, working 40 hours a week, and you have nothing to cash at the bank? There's no deposits. Yeah, you'll probably quit or go on strike. Girl, you'll be shaking the table. All right, I'm trying to figure out what to do with the wig. I did not put my band on yet, so if you still see the lace, it totally makes sense. I love how it has a lot of volume up here, but I'm not gonna hold you. It's looking a little mullety. Like, it literally makes sense for me to just cut it like this, right? Like, that makes the most sense because I'm not gonna hold you. It should have been a bob. It should have been a bob, Outre, but okay. I don't know if y'all got mullet fever, but these layers are so fire. And you know we love a side part. We can bust it over to the side. Fire, 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 flames, flame emoji, flame emoji, flame emoji in the comments. Yeah. And then I was thinking like, ooh, maybe we could do some bangs, like maybe not side bangs, but like front bangs. I don't know, but let's put our band on. This lace out for 15 minutes. Alright, if I mess this up, I just wanna bang. Like I wanna bang it. 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 I wanna bang. So I'm gonna cut it. When you're about to do something really risky and you don't know if it's gonna turn out good, girl. Yeah. When in doubt, bang it out. Baby, I'm a rock star. I am scared. Do it scared, girl. Do it scared. Okay. We're gonna keep going. I have faith. I don't know what I'm doing. Whose idea was this again? This was my idea? Me? I said to do this? I might have fucked it. Hold on. We can save this. I can save this. Okay. I can save it. Just give me a second. I don't know who told me to do this. Who told me that it was a good idea to put bangs in a wig? Why didn't y'all stop me? Like,
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you.
I didn't want to give you the same hairstyle, mamas, but you seen there was nothing I could do, baby. My hands were tied. Or nothing I could do. Sometimes you ain't good at everything. Sometimes everything ain't in your niche to try. You think when God be humbling me sometimes, like, girl, you know you shouldn't have done that. Like this, like that. Everything ain't supposed to be meant for you to be trying. You can see that gap. That's the gap of the bang. All right, y'all. This is the final look of the unit. I didn't want to give y'all like old style, so I was like, whatever. Like, let me just go what I did. It's giving cunt. It's the Huntress, like a new cut, a new style, a new color. Okay, LAYSHA. This is LAYSHA. This is the final look of Outre Perfect Hairline LAYSHA. And thank you, Ebonyline, for sending me this unit. She's so cute. We had a little trouble in the beginning, but you know, we just ironed that thing out and just trying something new, because why would I go into 2025 being the same old girl? Like, it's time to transcend. It's time to evolve. It's time to, you know, level up. Okay, and a part of leveling up is trying new things, and got it in the color purple. Purple is my favorite color. So the purple, like, you could see it, she's there because I cut the bangs, like a lot of purple is like taken out of the wig, but she is in the back. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, thank you.
All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need.
I don't know if I said it before, but it goes for $44.99 on Ebonyline's website. I'm going to link the link in the bottom. So if you want to purchase it, you go ahead and purchase it. You don't got to do the style, girl. You don't got to do the style. I showed you how the wig comes in the beginning. Hold on, because I got to do my little B-roll, my slow-mo and stuff like that. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe so I can get paid and keep bringing you quality content. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. And if we're going to play their game, we're going to play it the best. Pop, pop. Where the money at? Mwah. Bye.